So I'm going to share my screen back, and we are just going to learn two techniques to improve ourselves. Okay, two techniques for self-awareness, right? The first is strategies, techniques, tools, whatever you want to call it as. You want to know what pushes your button, right? So what I mean by that is you need to know what situation irritates you, what icks you until, or what makes you like, okay, why the hell is this guy saying like this, So okay, those are my triggers, kind of thing, because a person has said something and that is a trigger that says there's in which I would behave. So those are my triggers. I need to build and understand those triggers within myself, that if somebody talks about uh, let's say contribution at home, for example, okay, everybody has to chip in some money so that contribute towards the house, this and that, and that might trigger me. Or at work, people come and say, hey Jatan, you have to do this, you are the only guy, and it's like that would trigger me. Am I the only person available in my on the project, or aren't there anybody else that only it has to be me all the time for anything? Or else I am busy in other meeting, and when I connect with my folks, they say that okay, people nominated you to get this work done. I did not agree to that work, and people nominated me. Did you ask me, am I available to do it? So these are the triggers which we need to know. Okay, and I might go in a conflict. I might, so I might just behave in a non-rational way. So these are triggers which will tell me that okay, this situation has happened. Try to control the situation. Don't react to it. So you need to understand that inside of you. And the second technique I would say is know how and sorry, my bad. Watch yourself like a hawk. Okay, you're looking at your emotions. Okay, you're looking and you're practicing to control your emotions. You're trying to behave in a rational way, in a right way, by controlling your emotions, right? And that's a good saying which goes, when you know yourself, you are empowered. When you accept yourself, you are invincible. That means you know what you can control, how to behave in a situation, what to do in a situation, how to react in a situation, whether you are in a meeting, whether you are trying to communicate with your bosses, your managers, your team members, or even at home, right? It's like my wife would come and tell me, oh, you have to cook today. And it's like, my weaknesses, I can't cook well, I can't do it. But then my reaction would be, okay, I will cook at home, not a problem, but will you be able to eat it? Right. So if I would have reacted saying, no, 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 I cannot cook, things would have gone bad. But okay, let me be calm, cool. Okay, I will cook. Okay, maybe I can make some pastas here and there or something. I can give them some options which I can cook. And they would say, okay, fine, pastas is good for us. I think we like the way you make it. Okay, cool. So I'm through. I don't have to react. I don't. So I'm watching myself. I know my panic buttons, and I'm reacting in a different way.